Today, we'll explore some innovative machines that can turn your hustle into a smooth, automated, and profitable venture. From saving time to boosting efficiency, this innovation will help you work smarter. So if you're ready to discover your next income-generating business partner, make sure to hit that like button, and let's start with the first machine. Meet the Fresh Fruits Automatic Smoothie Vending Machine, a game-changer for the health and beverage business. This smart vending unit features a 32-inch touchscreen that lets customers pick their favorite fruit blends with ease. Its modern compressor cooling system ensures smoothies are served chilled and fresh in seconds. Designed for efficiency, it also includes smart stock management and customizable branding options, making it perfect for gyms, offices, malls, and campuses. At just $3,000, it's an innovative, low-maintenance way to start a profitable, health-focused vending business. Phone case printing machine. Personalized phone cases are among the most popular accessories in the world, and this phone case printing machine lets you tap directly into that booming market. Using UV or sublimation technology, it can print photos, logos, patterns, and artwork on blank phone cases within minutes, all with crisp, professional results. Customers love personalization, whether for fashion, gifts, or promotional branding, which means demand stays strong throughout the year. The machine setup is compact, allowing you to run the business from a small studio or even a desk at home. Beyond phone cases, it can print on keychains, power bank shells, earbuds cases, and other small items, helping you diversify your income. Startup costs are moderate, mainly covering the printer, inks, and blank materials, while profit margins remain high. You can get this printer for around $250, while high-end UV models can go up to $1,500. Sell through Etsy, Instagram, or local mobile accessory stores, and you'll have a creative business that scales easily with social media promotion. Automatic donut making machine. This machine transforms a simple recipe into a profitable venture. It automates every stage of the process: mixing, shaping, frying, and glazing, ensuring consistent results and high output. With donuts being universally loved, this machine is ideal for cafes, bakeries, and home-based businesses. The ingredients, flour, sugar, yeast, and oil, are inexpensive, yet donuts sell at a strong retail price, giving you excellent margins. You can start with a small cart or cafe counter and expand to supply local bakeries or event caterers. The fully automatic donut machine is surprisingly affordable. It costs between $1,000 and $1,800. It's a business that combines fun, flavor, and financial growth, especially as more people crave gourmet, colorful, and Instagram-worthy snacks. With low labor needs and easy operation, this machine makes it possible to turn a passion for sweets into a full-time income. Delicious Smoothie Maker. Health and wellness trends have exploded, and smoothies are one of the most profitable ways to ride that wave. The Smoothie Maker allows you to blend fresh fruits, vegetables, yogurt, and protein powders into refreshing drinks within seconds. Its speed and consistency make it ideal for juice bars, food trucks, or gym cafes, and the compact design makes it suitable for small kitchens or kiosks. Add premium ingredients such as chia seeds, matcha, or spirulina to boost nutritional value and profit margins. With minimal investment and easily available raw materials, this business offers a fast return on investment. A professional-grade smoothie maker costs roughly $80 to $200, making it one of the easiest food business machines to start with. As more consumers shift toward natural, healthy lifestyles, smoothie businesses continue to grow steadily, making this a refreshing and lucrative opportunity. Wallpaper and wall sticker printer. Customization is changing the interior design world, and a wallpaper and wall sticker printer lets you capitalize on that trend. This digital printer creates stunning wall murals, textures, or personalized photo wallpapers on adhesive material. From modern offices to themed cafes and homes, customers love unique designs that reflect personality and style. You can handle small custom orders or bulk projects for interior designers and real estate developers, all from a compact setup that fits in a small workspace. Investment in the printer and design software is moderate, but returns are excellent since clients often pay premium prices for one-of-a-kind decor. You can start a custom wallpaper printing setup for about $5,000, while commercial printers with wider print rolls and faster output may reach $10,000. Sell through online design marketplaces, interior studios, or social media, and position yourself as a creative entrepreneur offering modern interior solutions. Ceramic pottery printer. This advanced ceramic plate printing machine brings automation to traditional pottery decoration. It precisely prints colorful, intricate designs directly onto ceramic plates and bowls, ensuring perfect alignment and consistent quality every time. Ideal for ceramic factories, decor brands, or custom tableware businesses, it helps produce high-end, personalized products at scale. The machine supports multiple patterns, from floral art to modern motifs, all controlled digitally for maximum accuracy. Approximate price. Depending on the model and printing capacity, this machine costs between $6,000 and $15,000, making it a smart investment for small to medium-scale ceramic production units. Cotton Candy Vending Machine. The Cotton Candy Vending Machine is a crowd favorite that turns fun into profit. Compact and automatic, it produces soft, colorful cotton candy with almost no labor required. Ideal for malls, fairs, movie theaters, and amusement parks, it attracts both kids and adults. Sugar costs are minimal, but the selling price is high, giving you exceptional margins. You can even customize shapes and colors to make your brand stand out. If you sell 100 servings daily with $1.50 profit each, that's $4,500 per month in potential income. Portable, low maintenance, and easy to operate, this machine offers entrepreneurs a scalable business model that's both fun and financially rewarding. Crimped Cake Cup Making Machine. It is a modern bakery setup designed to craft beautifully shaped cake cups with precision and ease. This advanced system automatically feeds the paper, folds it perfectly, curls the top edges, and even collects and counts each finished cup, all in one smooth operation. Whether you're making souffle cups, crimped cups, or sauce cups, this machine delivers uniform quality every time, making it ideal for bakeries, dessert manufacturers, and packaging suppliers. It works with grease-proof paper, PET paper, or single PE-coated paper and runs at an impressive 40 to 50 pieces per minute. With a price of around $10,000, it's a powerful investment for scaling up professional cupcake and bakery production with consistency and style. Desktop Laser Engraving Machine. A desktop laser engraver is a compact powerhouse for personalization. It can mark logos, text, or designs on materials like wood, acrylic, leather, and metal, perfect for creating keychains, plaques, jewelry, and corporate gifts. This machine runs quietly and fits neatly on a desk, making it ideal for home studios. Start small by customizing items for friends and local businesses, then expand to online sales. With 50 small engraved items per day at $3 profit each, your potential income is $4,500 monthly. It's a simple yet versatile business idea where creativity meets precision, helping you turn designs into steady earnings. Single Pass Printer Machine. This advanced printer is designed for fast and colorful printing on paper bags, cartons, labels, cards, and even leather. With its auto feeder system, it prints multiple items in one smooth pass, saving time and boosting productivity. The touchscreen control panel makes operation simple and user-friendly, while its high-speed inkjet technology delivers sharp, vibrant, and durable prints on all water-absorbent materials. It's perfect for businesses that need quick customization, such as packaging suppliers, gift stores, and branding services. Approximate price. Depending on size and configuration, this machine costs between $8,000 and $12,000, making it an excellent choice for professional digital printing setups. These compact machines prove that you don't need a big factory or large staff to start earning independently. With smart choices, creativity, and dedication, you can build a sustainable home-based business that grows month by month. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more machine-based business ideas.